Alright, so you made it through the first series, which had the vowels. We're now moving on to the second in the Hiragana series. So we will go over all of the K sounds this time. So as we go through the K sounds, it will be the same as before. Follow the same order. There's ka, there's ki, there's ku, there's ke, and there is ko. Okay, so the ka is written like this. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ki is written like this. 1, 2, 3. There's the hook at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Many times you'll see it written like this. This is actually more of a natural handwriting style where the bottom part is disconnected. So officially the bottom part should be connected. That's what you'll see in all the, kind of charts for kindergarten kids or whatever, but the actual way that most adults write is more like the way that I wrote on the right here. In fact, that's why I wrote that one more neatly, because it's a little bit more natural for me to write. Ku. Ku is like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Looks kind of like a less than sign, but a little bit different. K. The K sound is 3 steps and can be written like this. So 1, 2, and then 3. And notice I'm writing these in slightly different styles because the reality is that just like English, you will see them written in different styles depending on the font that's used or the person that's doing the handwriting. But basically all of these are unambiguously K, whether they're considered the neatest possible form or not. Then there's Ko. Ko looks like this. It's 1, 2. 1, 2. Now the part on the top will almost always have this little hook. The part on the bottom usually doesn't have much. You may see something like this, or you may even see it left entirely connected so that it looks like a Z. You're probably likely to see the middle part not be connected, but the writer is following this path either way. And that is why it's important to know the stroke orders. That's why when I'm talking, I'm actually writing down, or I'm not writing so far actually, but I'm telling you the stroke order. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Right? And this is 1. This is 1, 2, 3. And this is 1, 2. Right? And it is important to know the stroke order because if you know the stroke order and you know how it's written, then you can understand, for example, why does this look like this? Is this a 2? Is this a Z? Or is it a ko? Right? If you had no idea about the stroke order, you might not know that this is a ko. It might be hard to figure out. That's true with all of the hiragana and with characters we'll learn later on as well. So try to follow the stroke order that I'm doing here, and if you can't remember the stroke order, you can always come back to these videos, and you can always look at Wikipedia and other resources that you can find online.